1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Numbers matching Rocket 350 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heater blows hot. Let's take a look at this front grille, headlight surrounds, chrome in the bumper. Still pictures of this car can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, down below in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Take a look at those still pictures and check out the underside of this car. Extremely clean. You'll also see the engine bay, interior, trunk. The car from every angle. This has had a repaint. We have that kind of Indy pace car theme going here. Interior of the car, 979 trim code, so that would be saddle Cutlass Supreme interior. Paint has a nice shine to it. Gold is also in very nice shape. And as you can see up and down the passenger side of this car, those panels are nice and straight. And again, that paint is laid on there nicely also. Bucket seat A51 code on the data tag. Center console. We do have some aftermarket gauges. We'll get around to the driver's side and take a little closer look at that in a minute. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust exiting in the rear, chrome in the rear bumper also looking good. I believe that would be the correct wing for the pace car also. Great looking wing on this car. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through those. And like I said earlier, pay attention to those undersides. Very clean underside to this car. Some recent service work that's been done to it. New intake gasket, valve cover gaskets, oil pan gasket, and rear main seal. All done. Brakes were noted, like new up front, 80% in the rear. If you like Oldsmobiles or maybe just into 70s muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase. Gotta love the look of that. Gold matching wheel, Oldsmobile center cap, beauty rings. These vehicles can be purchased right off our showroom floor if you can make it to see us in person or online, of course. And as you can see, driver's side also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint has a nice shine. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Seat belts intact. Rear seats. Vinyl in nice shape also. I haven't noticed any major rips, tears, or holes. Carpeting looks good. Door panels. All in nice shape. All right. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I'm going to have to turn on the dead man switch if I remember right though. Let me pause this a second. It's got a battery cut off. I want to click that on and get us some power. We're going to fire this thing up. All right, back with the battery disconnect connected. Good sounding car too. It's always fired right up as long as you have that battery connected. Check this out, AM FM radio. Radio's working. All right. Water temp. That was a cold start. I don't expect that to be up. Oil pressure. Volts. So aftermarket gauge is working underneath there. We do have a tack over here also. It's been installed, working. Top of the dash. Looks good. All right, I think I got it down off the higher idle. Choke on. We'll let it warm up a little bit. Take a listen from behind, but first, Headliner looking good. Rear deck. Man, interior's nice too. That door closes beautifully. And let's listen. Remember, numbers matching Rocket 350. That sounds good. Nice, deep, throaty little rumble coming out of this one. Quadrajet 4-barrel on it. There we go. All right, looks like a new brake booster. Master cylinder, proportioning valve, all look fairly new. Power steering. Newer style AC compressor, and it is also converted 134A, and AC blows cold, remember. It's a nice looking engine bay. This would be a nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Wouldn't be afraid to show this baby at all. And best of all, just driving it. Let's take another little listen back behind that low idle. Oh, listen to this. '72 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Numbers matching, 350 Rocket. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out those still pics. 507-386-1726. Call us. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass in amazingly good condition. So with factory looking radio in the dash. That is working as it should. And so are the turn signals. Now our fuel gauge needle is over full. That may be the one thing that is not proper in this car from what I've seen. Speedometer working awesome. We have a tachometer from ProComp here. For more accuracy, working as it should. Down below the dash, a water temperature gauge from Auto Gauge showing about 190. Then oil pressure about 55 to 60 psi. Volts are over 14. Very smooth running car. Kind of want this car actually. Steering is tight. Nice smooth running car. Lots of get up and go. Feels kind of stock to me in all the good ways. Steering is tight. Throttle response is great. This is automatic on the center console. Factory looking bucket seats in this car. Brakes are nice and smooth. Power steering working excellently. Actually, corner's pretty flat. Corners nicely. All the nice treatments, that hood, that spoiler, stripes, it looks good. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Oldsmobile Cutlass from 1972 at UniqueClassicCars.com.